Cancer is very emotional. It takes a lot away from you. It robs you of your dreams. It robs you of your control of your life. In 2004, I was diagnosed with 4th-stage breast cancer. Going through all the chemos and the depression and the fear of dying, I ate whatever was comforting to my soul. And then I discovered in 2009 that the breast cancer was back in full force. And so I had a double mastectomy, and they also took out part of my lung because they also discovered that I had carcinoid lung cancer. And back in that time, I just tried to cover up with huge t-shirts, huge pants. I've totally uncovered myself today. This is me at my heaviest in 2002. I weighed 348 pounds. I could no longer walk to the end of my driveway, and I just thought, something's got to be done here. Something from within me has to be done in order to survive. I wanted to fight. If I could fight cancer as hard as I did and survive, then I wanted to fight. And then I started the lovely program over here with Live Strong, and I met all these wonderful people, and I had so much fun, and it brought quality back into my life. And it brought me to December of last year, and then we discovered that I have a 3rd form of cancer, ocular melanoma. The other 2 times that I had cancer, I didn't do so well with it, and I ate what I wanted to, and I laid in bed and I suffered. Whereas this time, I chose a different route. This time, I chose to be healthy. I chose to eat healthy. I chose to exercise. And even when I was in the hospital for 5 days with this particular procedure, I walked every corridor in the hospital, one end to the other. And I couldn't have done that if I hadn't been involved with the Live Strong program at the Y. I mean, I really credit you people for helping me get to where I want to be. I just have grown or decreased so much in the last year. It's just totally changed my life.